In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional freelancer profile in 30 minutes or less, so you can start landing clients faster. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your profile, this step-by-step guide will get you there quickly. Stick around till the end because I've got an exclusive free trial for software you can use to perfect your profile, and you won't want to miss it. Let's jump in. First, your profile picture. Choose a clean, professional image where you look approachable. Avoid casual photos or ones with distracting backgrounds. Clients want to see someone who looks professional but also friendly, so smile and dress appropriately for the type of work you're offering. Next, your headline. This is one of the first things potential clients will see, so it has to grab their attention. Instead of just saying freelance writer, go for something more specific like experienced freelance writer specializing in health and wellness content. This immediately tells clients what you do and why you're different. Now, let's move on to your summary. This section is your chance to really sell yourself. Keep it clear, concise, and client-focused. Mention your experience, skills, and what makes you unique, but most importantly, explain how you can solve the client's problem. Focus on results. Clients want to know how you can help them succeed. Don't be afraid to show some personality here, but remember to keep it professional. For your skills section, list the tools and abilities that are most relevant to your niche. Only include skills you're confident in, and make sure to highlight the ones that set you apart from other freelancers. A great trick here is to align your skills with keywords that are often searched by clients in your industry. This will help you get found more easily. Next up is experience. Be specific with your job titles, projects, and outcomes. If possible, include metrics, such as how much you increased a client's sales or how many hours you saved them through your services. This not only builds credibility, but shows that you can deliver real value. If you don't have much experience yet, highlight any relevant personal projects, volunteer work, or internships. For your portfolio, choose your best work. Quality over quantity. If you're just starting out and don't have client work to showcase, create a few sample pieces. Make sure they demonstrate the range of your skills and show how you can deliver results. Tailor your portfolio to the clients you want to attract. Let's not forget your pricing. Be transparent and set your rates based on your skill level and market rates. If you're just starting, consider offering a competitive rate to build up reviews and a client base, but don't undervalue yourself. As you gain more experience, you can increase your rates. To wrap things up, take a look at your profile as a whole. Does it clearly communicate who you are, what you do, and how you can help clients? If not, revise and make sure every section speaks to the value you bring. A professional freelancer profile doesn't just showcase your skills. It highlights how those skills can benefit potential clients. The key takeaway here is this: a professional freelancer profile isn't just about showcasing your skills. It's about communicating your value and showing potential clients that you're the solution they've been looking for. As a quick recap, we covered choosing the right photo, crafting an attention-grabbing headline, writing a client-focused summary, listing relevant skills, showcasing strong experience, creating an impressive portfolio, and setting transparent pricing. And before we close, make sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. This software will help you create and refine your freelancer profile so you can get started even faster. You won't want to miss out on this. Thanks for watching.